Digital finance. Change in organizations. Change is happening faster than ever in our world. You can see this all around you, especially in how technology has become a big part of our lives. Just look around next time you're in a public place. Most likely, you'll spot many people using their phones. But it's crazy to think that just 3 decades ago, the internet didn't even exist, and only a few people had things like laptops, iPads or mobile phones. This rapid change is also clear in business. More and more patents are being filed to protect new ideas, and products don't stick around as long as they used to. Change has become a normal part of how organizations work. In this unpredictable environment, businesses have to change the way they operate to keep up. Adapting has become really important to survive and thrive. Let's break down some important reasons why organizations need to adapt to changes. Number 1. Changing technology. The biggest driver of all these changes is the super fast pace of technological advancements. Think about it like this: technology is evolving quicker than ever before. This means that organizations have to adjust how they work because new technologies can do things that were impossible just a short while ago. For example, now there are tools that can do boring stuff like typing in numbers for you, and they can even analyze massive amounts of data. This is a big change that organizations have to catch up with. Number 2. Changing competition. Competition isn't like how it used to be. New players can show up in an industry out of nowhere and completely shake things up. For instance, Uber came along and changed how we think about getting rides. It popped up so fast in cities all over the place, and this really shook up the taxi industry. Organizations now have to be ready for sudden shifts in competition and find ways to stay ahead. Number 3. Growing shared consumption. Sharing is getting more and more popular. People are sharing things like cars, rooms, and more. This trend is causing major disruptions in industries. Take Airbnb, for example. People are renting out their own homes to travelers, and this is changing how we think about hotels. It's like a whole new way of doing things that organizations need to figure out how to deal with. In a nutshell, organizations are being pushed to adapt because technology is changing super quickly, competition can come out of nowhere, and the way we share things is changing too. It's like a big puzzle that businesses need to solve to stay successful. Number 4. Changing customer expectations. Things are shifting in what customers want from a company and its stuff. Think about it like this: because of faster ways of talking, like social media, and better technology, customers now expect faster and more efficient service. This means companies have to change how they work to make sure they're meeting these new customer needs. Number 5. Less customer loyalty. Loyalty isn't the same as before. With the internet and smartphones, people have way more info about products and options. And since there are so many choices out there, people don't stick with one brand as much. They shop around more. Studies even show that over 80% of folks check out stuff online before buying. The last example of the change in organizations is globalization. The world is getting more connected. Economies and cultures are mixing up more because of things like trade and technology. This means companies can get things from other countries more easily and sell their stuff to people in other places. So, in simple terms, companies are changing how they work because customers want things faster and better, people aren't sticking to one brand as much, and companies can do business with other countries more easily. It's like a big shift that companies need to handle to keep up. As we conclude today's video, we want to extend our sincere gratitude for your viewership. Your time is truly valued. Thank you for watching. If you found the information in this video valuable, we invite you to consider subscribing to the channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon as well, to ensure you receive timely alerts for all our new releases. Your support is greatly appreciated, and we look forward to continuing to provide you with insightful content. Thanks for watching.